is up, YouTube? Mr. Couponer is back again with two more scenarios. One is going to be a cleaning and laundry product scenario, and then one is going to be a paper and laundry scenario. So you can choose between the two that you would like to do according to your budget. Everyone who's subscribed, thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed while you're watching this video, you might as well hit that notification bell and hit subscribe down there below so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. Also, I will include links to Ibotta and to Fetch rewards, so that way you can create that free account and you can get additional savings by sending in your receipts, images of your receipts, and they give you points. And you also can redeem those points in for gift cards. All right, so the first scenario is going to be the cleaning and laundry, which is the 5 off 25 from Dollar General. You would grab the Arm & Hammer, the 24 through 32 count pod, which is on sale for $3.95. There's a $3 coupon off that makes it 95 cents. You're going to grab the Civitel 44 ounce through 50 ounce. It's on sale for 45 cents. It's a $1.50 smart coupon, making it 95 cents. You can get the Clorox 116 to 121 ounce, $4.50. There's a 50-cent coupon, making it $4. You can grab the Game Fireworks 5.7 through 6.5 ounce. It's on sale for $3.95. Dollar coupon, making it $2.95. The Downy Liquid is $3.95. A dollar coupon, making it $2.95. The Clorox for Gainesville is $2.75 with a 75-cent coupon, making it $2. The Snuggle, $3.95 with a dollar off, making it $2.95. That will bring your subtotal to $25.50. Make sure you clip that 5 off 25 smart coupon so you can get the $5 off. That will bring it to $20.50. The $3 off of the Arm & Hammer will come off, making it $17.50. The $1.50 for the Civitel come off, making it $16. The 50 cent for the Clorox, making it $15.50. The dollar for the Game, making it $14.50. The dollar for the Downy, making it $13.50. 75 cents for the Clorox, making it $11.75. Your final subtotal should be $11.75. Savings for this scenario will be $13.75, making each item $1.96 each. So you get a variety of cleaning and laundry. So you basically paying $1.96 for Game Fireworks and for Clorox, which is the Clorox is a big bottle. But like I said, according to your budget, I also uploaded a previous video earlier with another 5 off 25 that has some cheaper products. You would save more on that scenario if you just want to get some cheap paper towel, cheap bleach, or whatever to use, you know, for cleaning up after your holiday gathering on Monday. That's an option as well. All right, so this one is the paper and laundry 5 off 25. You would get the Angel Soft 12 roll. It's on sale for $4.75 with a 25-cent coupon, making it $4.50. The Sparkle Paper Towel 6 roll is $4.75 with a 25-cent coupon, making it $4.50. The Scott Big Roll Paper Towels it's on sale $4.50 with a $1 digital coupon, making it $3.50. The Arm & Hammer 24 to 32 count is on sale for $3.95 with a $3 coupon, making it 95 cents. The Civitel is $2.45 with a $1.50 coupon, making it 95 cents. The Downy Liquid is $3.95 with a $1 off, making it $2.95. The Clorox for Gainesville is $2.75 with a 75-cent off, making it $2. That will bring your subtotal to $27.10. 5 off 20. Make sure you clip the 5 off 25. That will bring it to $22.10. The 25 cent for the Angel Soft, making it $21.85. The 25 cent for the Sparkle, make it $21.60. The dollar for the Scott, making it $20.60. The $3 for the Arm & Hammer, making it $17.60. $1.50 for the Civitel, making it $16.10. The dollar for the Downy, making it $15.10. 75 cent for the Clorox, making it subtotal of $14.35. You're saving $12 off of this scenario. 7 items at only $1.05. So I mean, you can see the value. Me, when I coupon, I look for the value of the scenario, not really necessary the how much you're spending. At the end of the day, it's about how much you're saving and what items are you actually getting for that amount that you're spending. So I mean, for this scenario, to spend $14.35, if it's within your budget, I would say this is a good scenario because you will come out paying only $2.05 4 to 12 rolls of Angel Soft toilet paper. You will also come out spending $2.05 for the Sparkle paper towel. You also would end up coming out spending $2.05 for the Scott paper towel. So it's the value behind of couponing. Yes, we want a low out of pocket, but not all the time you may be able to get a low out of pocket with every scenario. You may be able to spend a little bit more for what you need, but you also would end up saving some as well. I mean, savings of $12 can go a long way. You know, maybe some gas in your car, maybe some items that you need to pick up, or, you know, something that you need to do. So it's all according to what your budget may be. This scenario may not fit. You may want something lower. You can always customize the scenario to your budget, to your liking. You can add, subtract. This is basically used as a guideline. So again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when all new videos are uploaded. Thank y'all again for watching. Have a good weekend.